destination, no in between. Just me and you and a question mark, looking for a place to spark.
Scrolling maps and chasing skies, 1,000 places in our eyes. Then a little voice said, why not go? And suddenly we started to know.
Palm trees calling from across the sea.
Aloha whispering, come and see. From no clue to aloha, from maybe to let's go.
Trading city lights for sunsets,
where the ocean steals the show.
Maui mornings, Kauai nights,
living slow beneath the sky.
from no clue to aloha.
Just a dream away to fly.
Just a dream away to fly.
14 days and a little plan, holding hands in the island sand. Coffee at sunrise, waves at our feet. Every wrong turn feels so sweet.
Waterfalls and winding roads, lighter hearts, lighter loads. Funny how one simple chat can change your whole map like that.
From no clue to aloha, from maybe to let's go.
Trading city lights for sunsets,
where the ocean steals the show.
Maui mornings, Kauai nights,
living slow beneath the sky.
from no clue to aloha.
Just a dream away to fly. No rush, no race, just finding our place. Two hearts, one view, and the horizon brand new. From no clue to aloha, from dreaming to the shore.
Every journey starts with asking,
What are we waiting for?
Maui mornings, Kauai nights,
Memories that never fade.
from no clue to aloha.
The best trip we never planned. Aloha, aloha. We finally found our way.
Still here, thank you. If trip planning isn't your thing, try my free custom GPT, JustoHops SideKick. It helps you build travel ideas, itineraries, and adventures based on your style of travel. Just search for JustoHops SideKick in ChatGPT and start planning your next trip. Yeah, so absolutely gives me what to watch out for from the city I am flying to. It's letting me know about a budget that I need to look out for. It's also letting me know about a route information that I need to look out for, and as well as what I should be doing right now to get this plan rolling. Have fun planning.